What's up guys, Jake Bully with Barbin.com. We're here with Joe Gambino from Perfect Stride, New York City, and today we're looking at how to tape the shoulder for stability.
As always guys, remember these taping techniques are not for medical purposes. They're not going to correct injuries, decrease your pain, or anything like that. So if you have something that's going on with in those cases, please see the appropriate medical provider. These techniques are really just to facilitate performance, improve this perception of stability, and kind of just help you get a little bit better with your workouts. So when taping the shoulder or any area, we always want to round the edges of our tape. It just prevents things from getting caught on close, so it should help keep the tape staying on a little bit longer. Also, guys, you can also get this tape wet. You can shower with it, go swimming with it. It should hold on pretty well. When we are taping shoulder or any other area, right, we want to have as much contact with the skin as possible, because mainly what we're aiming on focusing on is improving this perception of stability or teaching us how to be in a particular pattern. In this case, when we're taping the shoulder, we're doing both. We want to have this contact with the skin, so we're actually activating the mechanoreceptors that sit underneath here, which will relay information back to the brain, giving us this perception of stability to the area. Also, as we tape Jake here for the shoulder, or if you're taping, you have someone tape yourself, because it's going to be pretty hard to do it on your own, we're going to pull you into a little bit of retraction and have him sit up with a nice good posture. And we're actually going to tape us in this sling back this way. So now if your shoulder comes out of position, you're going to feel some pulling on the tape. It's going to remind you to bring your shoulder back into a better position. So for overhead athletes, people who like to do overhead exercises like pressing, snatches, or people who just have some difficulty with rowing exercises, this is going to be a great application for you. So in order to start the application process, we're going to take a 2 or 3 inch anchor. So we're going to just twist the back of the tape off. We have our anchor. Anchors will always go on with no stretch. So as we come here, we're looking for the acromion, which is going to be a little bony area over here. So if you're finding some bone in this area, it's going to be kind of in the front of the shoulder here. It doesn't need to be exact, but we're going to kind of find that area. We're going to stick that tape on, give it a little bit of a rub so we get that heat activated glue going. And then we're going to come back on an angle towards the spine. So I'll have Jake turn here. So we're going to be coming on an angle right in this direction. We peel back the tape. We're going to use about a 20 to 50% stretch on the tape. Give it a little tug. And then we're going to slide down right towards the spine. The other end of the anchor gets no stretch as well. Rub that tape on. And there you have a nice, easy application for the shoulder. So when removing the tape, we don't want to just band-aid stuff off, because it will probably be pretty painful, especially if you have hair. And this is for every area, it's not just for a shoulder or anything like that. But when we are removing the tape, what we want to do is we want to peel from the corner, and if you do have hair, we want to go in the direction of the hair, not against the hair, unless you want to wax yourself. But pretty much there's 2 ways you can do it. One would be, once you have it peeled, you can just kind of like roll the tape off with your hand. That will just kind of take away some of the pulling of the skin, so it'll help with the pain a little bit. Or what you can do is you can actually just push down on the skin and then, move the tape from there. All of this will just reduce the amount of friction put on the skin as you're removing the tape. And there you have the easy way to remove the tape, so this way it's not as painful.
This has been Jake Bully with Barbin.com and
Joe Gambino from Perfect Stride PT.
If you want to learn more about the details of the shoulder taping techniques, visit the link below or visit us at Barbin.com.